It's holiday season and we are making cookies.
Hey Jackie.
Ariel, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me.
Of course, of course. What's that?
It's for you. It's not wine, but I know you're gonna
I
love
noticed
it.
it's not large enough to be wine.
It's not a wine
but
bottle
I'm gonna
bag.
get these cookies started and then I'm going to open this. So, you know what? I'm gonna put you to work right away. I need you, if you could, sift 4 cups of flour.
Okay. So where did this recipe come from?
Being that we're in Texas and it like rarely snows, snowballs are kind of a fun cookie recipe. I've always just kind of used my mom's recipe. These are super simple to make, super good, and then they just look really cute too. All right, I'm going to mix this away.
So what's in a snowball cookie?
Have the butter, sugar, and vanilla. Over there, you're sifting all the flour, a bit of salt, some Texas pecans. We'll mix some of those in, and then we'll just make them into little round balls, bake them off, and then you dump them in powdered sugar, and they melt in your mouth.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is my favorite season. I'm so glad we're doing this.
Well, I know you have a little obsession with, you know, the holidays and Christmas time and Hallmark movies, and you're the Christmas in July person.
Oh, I love Christmas in July.
We know you do. Do you have any holiday traditions that you do?
My mom loves to bake.
Oh, well, you can take her some of these and then see how she likes them, and then, or you can make her a batch too.
Yeah, because like we don't make these, so we usually do like the sugar cookies that are frosted with the royal icing.
My girls like doing those too.
I love piping and flooding.
See how it's like a lot brighter now? It's not so yellow.
Yeah.
That's how you know a lot of air has been incorporated to it. And also note, you always want to use room temperature butter or like room temperature ingredients.
Okay, you were telling me this one day that when you're baking, your wet ingredients have to be room temperature.
Yes, it helps the butter incorporate into the flour better. This is good to go. All right, so before we start mixing everything, I'm gonna open my gift.
Okay, yay! I'm so excited. Oh, you're gonna love it. I mean, I think you're gonna love it.
Thank you so much for bringing a gift. That's so sweet of you. It's a little El Arroyo sign. Yes, I know guac is extra, but so am I. So great. Thank you, Ariel. I love it. Thank you so much. So just mix this all up, and then so now we're just gonna sprinkle these guys in. Ta-da!
Yay, it's done.
So now it's nice. It almost smells like butter pecan ice cream.
Oh my God!
Right?
It smells so good.
No, it's super simple. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 10-12 minutes at 325 degrees, and they should be perfect. All right, Miss Ariel.
Yes.
These are done.
Yum.
So while they are warm, you're gonna grab a cookie and toss it into your powdered sugar.
Okay.
And you just kind of
coat it around?
Coat it, yeah.
Literally anybody who's watching this right now is so lucky that you're sharing this recipe.
It's really good.
It's so good.
They're super easy. Happy holidays, y'all.